Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell about Naukri account. So as you all people know, like Naukri is one of the best account where you can upload your resume and register yourself. So here, when you are in front of a page, it's my profile. So here you are able to see in the right hand column that profile completeness. So try to make sure you update your profile up to like more than 90% so that you will be able to get all the necessary columns. So coming to the columns in Naukri, and before going to the Naukri profile or details, I just wanted to tell you few things. So paid account, it never helps. 90% it won't help you. Where you need to pay like 5,000 rupees amount for to get more response from HR. So it's nothing necessary. So try to, it will give a pop-up whenever you open a Naukri once after a login. So try to not to click that paid account trial and all. So skip if you are interested, one pop-up option will come. So try to click that. So here in this profile, if you are able to see, so you are able to see my account. Here I have uploaded the resume. So on October 27th, I have uploaded my resume. So unless and until if you are looking for job, that time you can upload. It's not necessary to upload every month, every week, or every now and then. No need to update your Naukri account. So here are the necessary columns where you can update, and whenever you click these links, you will be able to get some necessary details and you can update these. So I am just showing my resume format here. So there is a column called headline. So headline, try to update similar to your experience based on your scenario. So here I've mentioned seeking challenging assignment in international customer support, finance. So certain words is really important with a growth oriented organization in international process non-voice into KPO firms, MNC, BPO and audit firms. So try to make sure you update whatever field you are looking into. So try to update those field as based on your fresher or experience skills. Next comes is key skills. So here this is called keywords. So try to update necessary keywords where whenever any HR, they will be sourcing your profile with relevant keywords with some search box, boolean search and all. So try to make sure you update whatever field you have experience or which field you are interested. So here, as I wanted to get lot of emails from HR people, so I have make sure that I've added certain keywords. So but try to you make sure that you get you try to update whichever field you have experience or which field you are interested. Don't mention all these things because my Naukri account is completely different. And then coming to this key skills, so you try to be little careful, and there are only certain things where you can update, like for so certain keywords only we can update, we cannot update too much. So in four columns I have mentioned all the key skills. Then comes is your experience. So the current company experience I have not added in my resume, in my Naukri. So you are able to see here I have updated all my experience details, like my designation, process, company, MMYY, whichever the relevant experience I've mentioned, then BCom, year of pass out, everything I've mentioned. So in case if you are a IT, if you are from a IT domain, try to update your IT skills. As I'm not from IT, so I've not updated it. Next is projects. So if you have done any internship projects in school, in college, you can update those things, internship detail. And here, see, initially you got a column like resume headline. So this is one column. Next column is profile summary. So even here you can update certain keywords as whatever best you need to update with relevant words. So if you are able to see here, I have updated certain information. So try to update similar to this. Okay, so based on my this one, like as I want to get a relevant mails from HR directly from the company and recruitment firm, I have mentioned too many keywords. But based on you, try to mention only whichever is necessary. And then you can add your LinkedIn link in case if you are interested, and also certain certifications if you have. So these are the things which you can update. And meanwhile, I personally feel profile photo is not necessary in Naukri. So it's better you can update only in LinkedIn profile. And coming to LinkedIn again, like I just wanted to tell about this post once again because this is a very important post. So as you're able to check this, this was shared before 2 months back, and here I've mentioned like whom and all people to get connected. So these are the people, BCom people, these certain people, and BE, BCA, and yeah, this Vinod Surwa's name. He is actually from BE BCA background. By mistake, I've added him in BCom field. So the other field. So these are the people you can follow, and these are the other people also who are supporting job seekers as well. And meanwhile, if you are able to see here, there is a comment where I have tagged some bulk people. Okay, so I'll be editing this post once in a while. So try to follow these people based on your domain. If anyone is from your domain, try to contact them, or if you have a paid account, you'll get this icon in your in a LinkedIn paid account. If you have, you will get that kind of icon. And try to make sure you keep your LinkedIn account safe, because if anything happens against LinkedIn rules, your account might get disabled or closed. So keep your account safe. Try to update only whichever is necessary. And these are the things which I felt telling in this particular video. One is about Naukri, another is about this LinkedIn home and all people to get connected. So take this post as a screenshot or pic or whatever, and try to share it with the job seekers. So this is what just majorly I want to tell about the Naukri platform in this video. Hope you got a clear information about resume headline, key skills or keywords, and then the next is profile summary. So all the best for your job search. If any doubts, you can comment on this video. So if I wanted to share any more videos, I'll just try to add those points whichever doubts if you have.